Good day, guys. So if Gmail keeps showing the verify it's you message and won't let you sign in, here's exactly how to fix this step by step. So first, just try signing in from a device and location you've used before. Gmail's security system flags new devices, VPNs, or unusual locations. Turn off your VPN and connect to your usual Wi-Fi network before trying again. If prompted, approve the login request on your phone, enter the SMS code, or use your Authenticator app. Make sure that your phone has internet access so the approval notification can appear. Then, Google recovery page. So if you're logged out, go to Google's official account recovery page and enter your email. So you just type in Google recover account, and this is where you start. Right, and after that, follow the prompts carefully, enter your last known password, and also answer security questions exactly as you said them. Then Google may send a verification code to your recovery email or phone number. Access that account or device immediately and enter the code without delay, since codes expire quickly. And if Google detects unusual activity, it may temporarily block sign-in attempts. In that case, you will need to wait for 1 or 2 days. And this is how you fix the verify you error in Gmail. Just use a trusted device, complete verification, and rely on the official recovery process to regain access safely. That's it for this one. Make sure to support me as well by liking the video and subscribing, and see you soon.